can drive that asterisk switch, and you've got truly unified voicemail, and it's totally awesome. And I know we're out of time, but if you guys want to see one more cool thing, I'll show you one. It's one better yet here. Okay, yeah, this is it. Okay, let me put this away. So now that you've got your asterisk voicemail integrated, what's the one thing that could be better than that? Well, I'll tell you. When your phone is off, don't send it to voicemail. Send it back to your desk, right? I mean, if your phone is off, presumably you want that call. And you can actually send that call to your desk in a special way so as to know that it's a redirected call, make sure that they still play the outgoing message from your voicemail box, not your desk phone. And so what we do is, of course, in the busy condition, play the mobile greeting. No answer condition, play the mobile greeting. Off, we're going to ring the desk phone again, and we're going to play the mobile greeting, and we're going to fix the caller ID, right? So now instead of saying Joe Fox, it's going to say / Joe Fox. And so now we know that Joe Fox is calling me. First of all, I actually get to take that call. If I don't answer it, it goes into the very same voicemail box. And of course, I get a notification that my damn phone is off. Excuse my language, but my phone is off, my battery's dead, it dropped down the stairs, whatever. I get that call, and I also get told that that needs to be addressed. And of course, the way I do that, again, you can do it with the ISUP redirect headers on the ISDND channel, but I prefer to do it with DIDs because DIDs are so dirt cheap. It's just worth the presence, the peace of mind. So I send that to a slightly different number, and that's how I identify it as a redirected call in the off-network condition. So that's my presentation. There's some more stuff I could show you, but I really want to leave this a little bit of time for questions. So does anybody have any questions? You need a piece of hardware that has built into it somewhere the ability to write your own text messages in a very low level. So, for example, this device and the one that's in here, you can communicate with via AT commands, like the old dial-up modem AT commands. And so you actually have to figure out what you want it to say in that curl command, and you have to run that through a script that formats it to tell the message that because the message actually reads. It's like instead of being like big endian, it's little endian, and so it reads it in the opposite direction. So you got to change that around, and it's like nibbles not bites, and there's all kinds of weird things that have to be done. Those are all published specs. So I won't go into that detail here, but basically that's what it is. You either need something that gives you some kind of API interface or something that just uses AT commands. But if anybody wants to play around with this, just contact me, and I'd be more than happy to manipulate your telephone. It's no skin off my nose. Yes, sir. I have not, but I don't see any reason why that wouldn't work. I mean, it's essentially the same thing, irrespective of whether it's a USB interface or a PCMCI interface or a card bus interface. They're all, presenting themselves, in one way or another to the endpoint. So, anyway, any other questions? It is a lot. I'm sorry. Yeah, and if you don't want to retype them, just shoot me an email, and I'm more than happy to send you any of this stuff. So, thank you. Thanks.